Push it that way. Okay, put Jaxon. Where you going? You gonna get some groceries? What's in the buggy? Let me see. You have some groceries in the buggy? What's in the buggy? What you have in your buggy? What is that? What is that? Is that chicken? Oh, that's your what? Your car. Okay. And you had Nana's grapes? Thank you so much for pushing them in your buggy. You doing some more grocery shopping? What you looking for? You don't even know what that is. You gonna see if Mama wanna buy that too. Mama gonna make you put all that stuff back out the buggy. Tell Mama you grocery shopping. Tell Mama you grocery shopping. Wow! Jaxon! Nana said you can get some what? Grocery. What's a grocery? Well, you better put that. What's that hummus? You don't even know what that is. And listen. No, girl, he picking up some grocery shopping. Listen, don't go running through the store with the grocery cart. They're gonna take your driver's license, okay? So you can't go fast, all right? All right. Good job. You want what? You have to put the other one back, babe.
All right, let's go put the hummus back.
He's trying to grocery shop. Thank you. You all right? Where you going? You have to get some more groceries? Yes. No, not that one. We have to look for something else. We have to wait on Papa and Mommy.
I'm good. Can I put my food in your basket? You sure you can push mine too? Mixed up, all right? Man, don't get yours mixed up and try to take mine, okay? All right, as long as you gonna take mine? Okay, as long as you don't take mine, we good.
Can you push all that heavy stuff?
Sure you can push all this thing? You got to be strong. You strong? You can push this?
You sure you can push it?
Okay, let's see you push it.
Come on. You got it. Come on, push it. Not that.
You gotta push the buggy, man.
Baby.
He probably doesn't like the way it feels because it feels wet.
Good.
It's cold and wet.
Come on.
He looking like, why you put that in my buggy? You know? I know, why y'all put that in my buggy?
Full grown grown up there. Come on, let me take this.
Hey, everybody. Oh,
Girl, let me tell you something.
Oh,
Hey, peeps, how we doing? Look, we got another view here, and look, I got my orders.
What's your orders?
I don't know, I ain't listening to them anyway.
I know, right? We need to find some ice cream, babe. What you looking down there? Wait for?
Let me see designer chips.
Oh, it's some cookies. Why does everything have to? There you go with these designer chips. Why does everything have to be designer?
It would just be plain. Just some potato chips. Designer
What's a tater chip?
potato
Chip.
Potato chip. That's just so.
You know these potato chips probably. Let's see, baby, I used to love the Wise potato chips.
So there you go. Get your plain potato chips.
Baby, these are buy one get one free. They probably about to. They probably about $15 a bag.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Come on, wait.
What? He said, wait. What did he? Oh, he said, wait. What did he see? You saw some cars. You're pushing that buggy awfully fast. I know, right? He talking about go fast, Papa. Make sure nothing is coming. You know I want to taste that, girl. Yo, he just ran over his Papa. Baby, did he run over your ankle? Yeah, I know I have the camera down because I'm trying not to be all in people's face. Baby, he ran over your ankle. He didn't mean to. I tell you, Publix has the music going. Do it like what? You a good buggy pusher. Okay, what kind of ice cream we get?
They got pumpkin pie Cheerios.
Pumpkin pie Cheerios.
Yeah, or pumpkin spice Cheerios.
That's all right. Let's see. What you getting, baby? You looking for your butter pecan?
Jaxon, watch my ankle.
Ooh, baby, please watch Nana's ankle. Cause if you roll over my ankle,
That's the Publix version.
That's the only thing I want right there, bro.
That's the only one.
that's the what?
Only one.
Let's see. Let's see, what kind of ice cream do I want? Baby, that's all I need is that little small one up there. Look at that, it's so cute. Would you look at that? How many ounces is this? 3.5 ounces. What you say? No. Hey, look at this little teeny ice cream. Isn't that cute? Okay. Let's see. I'm not gonna get that little one, honey. I need, huh? Remember what? Oh yeah. Oh, I still like these because they help you with portion control. What you gonna get, babe? I want some chocolate.
I want some Samaros.
You want some what? Some arrows.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
That's your favorite. That's for your what? Babe, I don't know what he's talking about. Okay, so the Haagen-Dazs is 502. I don't want a whole half gallon, babe.
Baby, watch out. You're going to get somebody ankle.
Why you say Mama?
Like Jaxon.
Papa looking for ice cream.
We good. Let's go, fella. Everybody good?
Yeah. You can push all that stuff. Ooh, if you don't watch my toes. You didn't roll over. Babe, I'll just eat a little bit of yours.
Anyone you want to listen
No, because,
to? What's going to make you mad?
I mean, I would have gotten the one that was a little large, but I could just eat a little bit of that. Thank you for being a good buggy driver today. Good job. Good job.
Get Papa for you. Or no, not for you.
Don't eat my luck. The bus parked behind my truck.
Oh, now you're stuck.
Could be hours.
At least for a little while.
No, they'll move.
Woo. Hey, girl. All right, you guys. This was just a quick little impromptu field trip. Yeah, I just decided to turn on the camera once he grabbed the little buggy. He looked so cute, pushing the buggy around, about to run everybody over.
He hit me.
He did. He ran over them ankles.
He hit me, and I mean,
Did he hurt, babe?
that's like one of those situations when your kid run into a car and it's your car, so you got to pay for both insurance.
Did it hurt, babe? He
Yeah, it
didn't
hurt.
mean to.
You should've
He said, excuse me,
Wow, look at the
Papa.
accident up the street. They turned off the road. Oh, bless their heart.
He said, excuse me, Papa. All right, you guys. Maybe the next time we'll be a little bit longer in Publix. We being nosy now. So we appreciate you all running in the store with us really quick. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
Hitting the nosy.
That's turning on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing whatever it is we are doing.
We always
Just thought,
doing
yeah,
something.
we give you all a quick
Already get this one now.
What?
let you all see Jaxon really quick. So thank you all so much for watching. What you talking about, Jaxon? We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
This is
Bye.
this all ready for y'all now? What are you talking about?
Bye.